Hey, what's up guys, this is Trung Bao. As you guys all know, I've been doing a ton of crazy weird noises on this channel. So recently I just realized that my phone can do slow motion videos now. So I want to put all of these noises to test. Have this light for dramatic effect here. Let's check it out. So basically, to create a sound with your mouth, there's so many ways to do it and so many parts of your mouth you can use and combine. For example, like lips, your tongue, your uvula, your teeth, your cheek, your part of the mouth over here, your vocal cord. So today I'm gonna focus on some of the sound that are the most graphic for you to see, and for me actually to see how all the parts move and stuff like that. So we're gonna start with lips first. First, let's try sub lip bass. Wide lip bass. Let's do the lower one. Whoop bass. Shout out to the man Reeps one for the sound. This one straight up sounds like an alien. Wow. Let's do Alexinho bass. Shout out to Alexinho. Okay, now I'm gonna move inside the mouth a little bit. Let's try the uvula. Let's try vocal bass or Starky bass. Let's try inward bass now. Okay, that was super weird. I'm gonna go outside of the mouth again and focus on the lips. But this time I'm gonna only focus on one side of the lips. I wanna try a zipper sound. That didn't sound pretty at all. Let's do a zipper roll instead. It's alright. Alright, my favorite sound, lip roll time. Let's do a strong lip roll. I can do lower than that. That's super interesting. I'm gonna go lower. Okay, so next section I'm gonna move to tongue. But before that, I'm gonna do one of the weirdest sounds. So this one combined by one upper lip and my tongue. I still think this is the ugliest beatbox sounds ever. I'm gonna move to tongue section now. So first one is inward tongue roll. This one use the tongue go up like this and it's touch the upper lip. Shout out to the man Wunknown for this sound. So I'm able to do this sound but outward as well. This next sound is one of the very weird one as well. Inward male sound roll. Shout out to the man's Frosty. That sounds kind of painful. Bubble roll. Shout out to D-Lo. Next one, just kind of weird. This one sound like a whale. Shout out to the man Ettoman. Okay, I'm gonna move to the last section of the video. I'm gonna move to cheek. So the first one is duck cheek roll. Super weird and useless sound. There are two ways to do it. First one. Second one, also very useless. So this one I don't know where it's from, but I just call it cheek roll. Alright, we're gonna move on to one of my favorite sounds. It's also my original sound. It's called bass cannon. Let's go very low. Yep, that is very weird. Last but not least, I think this is the most inhuman sound that a human can make. Shout out to the man Pash for this laser sound. I think this one sounds like some of the old school movie where they have like the stormtrooper or something. Pew pew. Alright, that's it for our today's video. But yeah, that was super weird. Yeah, that's a new experience for me. Make sure to click subscribe, hit the bell button, click share and like the video to support me so I can create more content like this in the future. Peace.